battery doesn't run out on me, I'm going to do a video today on first impressions and review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills mini holiday lip gloss set. So I have it in this Sephora box here. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm going to do that now. So this is it. All holiday and festive. Kind of weird that, you know, holiday stuff is already coming out when Halloween hasn't even passed yet. They're pretty big actually. Like, it's supposed to be like a mini set, I think, but they look like a pretty decent size. Okay, so we're gonna open this up, and I'm also gonna tell you the price of it. How much was this? Okay, well, it doesn't say the price, and I forgot how much I paid for this. I'll leave it somewhere here. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I took the first packaging off. Pops out like this, and there's 3 shades. I'm gonna try the lighter one first. So even just looking at it, you can see like how pretty it is. Oh, it's upside down. This one is called Blizzard. So this one has like a nice purple sheen to it, but it's got like a white color. So let's try that out. It feels really like cold and cool going on. It almost feels like I'm just putting like liquid glitter on my lips. Like, it doesn't exactly feel like a liquid like lipstick. So that's the first one. I think this one would be better with like a darker color underneath. Not on its own, because it is pretty like light and purple. I mean, purple's fine. It's just, it's very glittery, so I think it's better as like a topper. So we're gonna wait for it to dry down a little bit more. It is very glittery. Maybe I shouldn't like talk so much when I wait for it to dry down, because I feel like it's kind of picking up. Yeah, so that's basically what it looks like dried. The next one I'm going to try is this gold one here. We're just moving from light to dark. So this one looks very gold. And this one is called Mai Tai? I don't know. Okay, so let's try that out. This one's a lot thicker than the other one. Feels more like a liquid lip. These also don't smell like anything. So that's the gold on. I think this one's kind of nice. Maybe not wearable for like every day, but it is pretty holiday-y and festive. I think this would be another like nice topper. Maybe on top of like a black would look really cool. Alone, I think it's probably better for someone with a different skin tone. I feel like it's a little similar to my own, like being like warm on warm. And yeah, it just kind of looks like I've got like glittery lips. I mean, I don't know, it's like a gold nude on me. I don't know if that is a thing. So that's it, completely dried. So this last one here, this like dark red one, this is the one that I'm like most excited for, just because it looks so pretty. So it looks like that in the tube. This one is called Phantom. The other ones didn't seem to have a smell, but this one has like a nice, it smells like lotion or something. This one is like really nice. I would definitely just wear this one on its own. I mean, I didn't apply it very well. It's not very clean, but like you can just see the color. It's like very like metallic, but it's not overwhelming. It's subtle enough that you can wear it on a regular day, but it's also very festive. And this is what it looks like up close. And this one feels really good on the lips as well. This one just kind of felt like cold water and glitter on my lips. It didn't feel very hydrating or like smooth, and then when it dried down it kind of picked up on itself a little bit. The second one, I felt like it was kind of cracking on my lips. This one didn't feel too nice, so I definitely like this one the most. It feels really good. It feels really nice and smooth. It doesn't feel like it's cracking, and I just think that this one has like the best color pigment and the best color in general out of all of these shades, and I think I'll be wearing this one the most, and these ones mostly as lip toppers instead of just on their own. Yeah, so it was 33 Canadian dollars at Sephora. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good deal, because I think like a full-size one is about like 25, 28 or something like that. It's in the 20s range, so I think this is pretty good because the size is like not that small. To be honest, I thought these were glosses when I first bought them, so I was really hoping that like these two shades would just be like really nice sheens of color. So I guess I'm a little disappointed with these ones, even as liquid lips, because they just didn't look very nice on its own. But I do really love this red one here. It's really pretty. So that is my review and first impressions and swatches of these new holiday liquid lipsticks. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. My battery's like running out, so bye. Also, this gold one here is so hard to take off. Like the other ones kind of just glided off, and this one just, it's so glittery and metallic, and it clumps up when you try and take it off.